Today, I wanted to chat with you guys about MetaQuest 3, particularly MetaQuest 3 games. By the way, feel free to use code TECH for 10% off VR titles in the MetaQuest store. And if you would like to buy yourself a headset, there'll be links in the description below. Feel free to use code TECH at checkout for $30 in Quest cash. But anyway, that's not what we're talking about right now. What we're talking about right now is MetaQuest 3 exclusive titles. We've had Batman Arkham Shadow. I almost said Batman VR, but Batman Arkham Shadow, Deadpool VR. Now, at the end of last year, I was wondering, what will we have for an exclusive title? Oh, and before I forget, I guess I'll mention Azura's Wrath 2, but I'm not sure if that was an exclusive VR title. I know that was given with the MetaQuest 3S, and Batman Arkham Shadow was also given with the MetaQuest 3S. So yeah, I'm not entirely sure if Azura's Wrath 2 was a MetaQuest 3 exclusive, but it could have been. It could have been. But I know Deadpool VR and Batman Arkham Shadow are and/or war. I say and/or war because I don't know, okay? I don't know if they say exclusive forever, or maybe like if you're watching this video within a year, maybe Meta had decided to release their whole exclusive contract to every platform or whatever. I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen with that, but yeah, a lot could happen. I guess we'll have to see what will happen. Now, as far as the home MetaQuest exclusive, everything, I've heard mixed feelings about it from you guys, honestly. On one hand, people are like, oh, MetaQuest 3 exclusives. That's good because we get more individual attention per game type thing. It uses all the mechanics of the headset. Whereas other people have been like, exclusives actually hurt the VR community. So, yeah, it's kind of a mixed bag there. It's not really a mixed bag. It's usually people are on one side or another. I guess some people are neutral about it, but yeah, MetaQuest 3 is, I believe, currently the one of the only few actual standalone headsets. Well, one of the popular ones anyway. I don't know if there's many third-party standalone VR headsets. I imagine there could be in the future. I mean, I guess Apple Vision Pro is technically a standalone VR headset, but most people don't think about gaming with the Apple Vision Pro type thing. It's more of a productivity thing. If it wasn't so expensive, though, because I'm in the Apple ecosystem, but okay, anyway, you know what? I'm getting off topic. So, do you guys think there will be a new Meta Quest exclusive title this year? Usually it's later on in the year. I'll be honest, the company that shut down came out of the blue for me because of the fact that the MetaQuest 3 and 3S sold so well during the past holiday season. But I suppose that's the way it happened sometimes. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay, because honestly, I would kind of looking forward to seeing what the MetaQuest exclusive title would be, but other companies have proven that they can make quote unquote AAA titles as well. So yeah, maybe it won't be that bad. But let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.